Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Bala creation. In this video we will how to set the ringtone and notification sound in Samsung, guys. Okay, first of all download the music and go to my files and go to downloads and take your sound and click copy, guys. Okay, click copy and go to internal storage and go to sound. Sorry guys, go to ringtone and I already paste, so that's only it show. Okay, and now I cancel it. If you I already do it, so that's only I click the cancel button. Okay, now go to settings and go to sound and vibration and go to notification and ringtones. I already in the, you can copy in the window. It will show it in the options, guys. Okay, and after you click on that option, now your notification sound was set, guys. Okay, it was a simple method, guys. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.